Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Honor X6 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all we have to open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, but if you use totally different browser, no worries, basically this operation looks similar in all of them. So if we are on the Chrome, we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the history. And as you can see here, we've got the list of previously visited websites. If you want to, you can remove them manually. Why not? Just by tapping on those X buttons right next to it. However, it may take a lot of time if you've got really long list. So I highly recommend to simply tap on Clear Browsing Data, because here we can do it automatically. In the basics, we've got browsing history, cookies inside data, and cached images and files, so we can remove it, no worries. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings, so really advanced things. If you want to remove something, you have to make sure that it is marked. Then we've got the time range, and we can of course change it from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks or even all time. And then simply tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully cleared our browser. So basically that's all. This is how to clear browsing data in your Honor X6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.